welcome to my video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Anjali here. I make fashion and beauty video. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And for today's video, we have a very interesting video, which is a makeup haul. And I have a whole bunch of makeup product right here. You can see it's really whole lot of stuff. So we are going to see what I've got from my Shopee haul. So if you guys from overseas or from different countries, Shopee is an online platform in Malaysia, which is something like Amazon and eBay. So these are products which you can get on mostly any online platforms. And if you wanted to know how to get this beautiful bronzy super glowy look, then I'll link it somewhere over here and also in the description box below. So check that video out to know how to get this look, which is perfect for parties. And now let's get straight into the video to see what all the products that I got from this Shopee haul. Okay, so the first product that I got is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish Normal to Oily Skin Foundation. So I've got the original packaging, which is with the glass packaging. This is like the mini version. So this is perfect for traveling because I hate bringing up this foundation with these glass bottles to my traveling, because if they break, my entire makeup bag is just going to get really spoiled. So this is perfect, and this is such a good foundation. Like if you're looking for a good foundation, then I would highly recommend this. And I got this in a Shopee sale, which was only like half of the price, I guess. I'll let you know the price now. So I just put up all the price over here so you can see like what is the pricing, what is the original pricing and what is the price that I bought them. So you can actually kind of wait for a bargain, like what I bought, because I wait for sale, and when there is a sale I really buy stuff, because makeup products like this really do have like 50% sale, which means you're going to save a lot of money. You can buy like 2 stuffs instead of 1. So I do really love a good bargain. So I've got all these products in a sale, but I don't remember which sale was it, but it was on a sale. So this is the first product that I've got. And for the second one, from the same range, but this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Yeah, and this is so good. Like, this is not my first product. Like I think I've done with 2 or 3 of this concealer, and this is another one because I love this so much. It's super convenient and it's very easy to just throw up in your handbag as well, and they just blend so beautifully, and they are perfect, and they don't crease much. Like, they don't crease at all. Actually, I've been using this for a very long time. Like, I think by the time they come up with this one, I've been using this one, and it is really good. So this is the next one. And then for the foundation, I've got the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Okay, this is a new product in Malaysia right now. I mean, they have just launched it right here. I mean, they've just launched it right in a few months of time in Malaysia. So I've got this one to just try and see how this works, because I've been seeing really good reviews about this foundation. Since this foundation is already up in the market for quite a long time, but in Malaysia it is just launched, so I wanted to try that. And next is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. Okay, I should tell you one story. Like, actually I bought a different stuff, but I got different stuff which is even more expensive, so it's kind of like a good bargain, I guess. So that's how I got this lipstick. I never buy this one, but I paid for something else, but I got this one instead of the product that I paid for. But I thought, okay, because since I've not tried this one before, so why not just try this one. So this is in the shade Bare It All, I guess. So yeah, so let me just swatch it for you. But I think this is like very nude for me. I'm not a nude lipstick kind of person. I think the only nude lipstick that have worked for me is this one, which I'm wearing right now. But I think this is like too nude. But the color kind of looks beautiful here, but you can see it's kind of looking like similar, but I think they're going to be too nude for me, but it's okay. We can try. I think this would have like a velvety finish. They look like that, but actually the packaging is like really beautiful. I like this. And next I've got this L'Oreal Rouge Signature. This lipstick range is called Rouge Signature, and I've got it in I Play. Okay, I've got this particular lipstick in a pink shade and a red shade, and honestly I'm not a big fan of this lipstick because they look like a tint on your lips. They don't look like a proper liquid lipstick. They are not pigmented, okay? They just look like a tint on your lips. But I thought it would be perfect for everyday kind of look so that they don't look like really thick. So I got this one because I wanted something in a nude shade which is not really thick as well, but I ended up getting like a brown shade. Like, it's literally brown, it's not nude, because when I see in their profile the shade looks like a nude shade, but when I get it it's like brown, like it's literally brown. So I think I should only use this for like mixing up with other shades, or I could go with like really powerful looks, not a nude look with this one. Or maybe I could like mix with the color like just now, very pale color, I could mix like tiny bit and create something. Let's see. Okay, and the next is this L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. Okay, I've been swearing upon this. Like, I love this mascara. It's my favorite, okay? Because they have these two sides. I'll just show you. I've got this one. This is my old one. So, on the place which I've written like number 1, they have these fibers which elongates or make your eyelashes even more thicker than they are. And then the second part is the actual mascara. So what happens is the fiber part just makes your lashes look really nice and thick and long, which is not your real lashes. It just makes like that, and they just gives a beautiful finish. And I love this for everyday look, or on the days which I don't feel like wearing falsies. I would definitely go for this one. But initially they were really waterproof. Like, I have been using this for a very long time. I think since the time they were like launched. But right now they're not waterproof. I have no idea why they've changed the formula or anything, but I'm not sure whether they still write waterproof or not. But they are not waterproof. Like, I've already tried like 3-4 bottles in recent times, but they are all not waterproof. I have no idea why, but still I've been loving this one. But if you really wanted a waterproof one, then you can get this one. Okay, this is not from my haul, but I just want to show it to you guys. This is the same thing, but I think it's called the double extension, and this is the False Lash Superstar. So you can get it too in Watkins or Guardians, anywhere in like Malaysian stores. So I've got two. So generally one of it would cost like 69 or some 60 plus, and in a bargain I think I bought for 17 ringgit. But I'm not sure like what bargain was it, what sale was it, I'm not sure, but it was 17. So I really got 3 of it because I love this so much, and it is like a great bargain. Okay, then moving to the eyeliner, I've got this Rimmel London's Candles Eye 24-hour wear eyeliner. So this is also something not new for me. I've been using this. These are perfect gel liners. They have this gel consistency which I really like. So it's perfect for tight lining your eyes. You know, you don't have to be like that. You know, it just glides on very smoothly. So I really like this. And if you want to wear this for an everyday wear, just like little bit of liner, this would be perfect, and they are so inexpensive, so you can definitely get this one. And next in the cart I have this Simadu Cosmetics eyeliner. So this is the blue liner because I really wanted to get like a I want to get like a neon kind of a blue, but I don't think this is a neon, but they are still a vibrating color. So I'm going to test this out and see how they look. And I love blue liners because you can like really create like different looks with them. So this is the next product that I've got. Okay, and for the next product I do have this beautiful eyeshadow palette. So this is from the brand called Beauty Glazed, and this is the Beauty Glazed Color eyeshadow palette. When I see this in the Shopee store, I was like, I should get this because it was so stunning. I'm not going to open it for you guys right now because I'm going to make like a first impression video on this particular eyeshadow palette. So I want to get like a genuine reaction when I'm seeing this palette because it is so beautiful. I'll just insert a picture over here so you can see how actually they look like in the store page. So I want to see how they are looking and how this palette like literally works. I think this is only for like 30 something, but they come up with like really good color range. If the eyeshadows work, it's going to be a great bargain because you get like all the colors in here and they were like so pretty. You could create like millions of looks with this eyeshadow if they work because they are only 30 ringgit. So I have a mixed feeling on this, so stay tuned for the video which I post a review for this palette. And as usual, by the time if you're watching this, if I've already uploaded the video, I'll link it here and also the description box so you can check that out. Okay, and next I have a bunch of all these products which are from one brand, which is the Focallure brand. Okay, I've already had a few products from Focallure brand and I've been loving them. I just love the formula. I just love how they work for such price range. Okay, they are like really affordable brand, but the product quality is like really good. So I went to their page and see what products they do have, and I was surprised because they have a full range of makeup products. Like you can do a full face of makeup with their product range. So I thought, okay, why not? I just buy their products and do a full face of makeup just with that Focallure brand because that brand is like really inexpensive, like really affordable, and anyone could just access to it. And especially if you're in Malaysia, you could just get it on Shopee and it's very easy and it's super inexpensive. And if they work really good, it's a great bargain. And just to add on top of it, even the product price is a bargain, but I got it up in a bargain. So almost I think I've got everything for like 50% discount, I guess. So I'll just link the price of everything as usual down over here so you can check that out. So now let's get into it and see what products that I've got. So I plan to do a full face of makeup using all these Focallure products, so you guys should definitely watch that. And that's why I don't want to like open up all the products because I wanted to give a full review on that video, but I'll still show you some of the products. I'll show you all the products, like whatever products that I got, but I'm not going to open it up like everything. But let's see what I've got. So this is the Focallure Blur Max Prime Oil Control Primer. Like surprisingly they do have even primers. If this works, it's amazing. So I just love what the brands has come up with, but if they work they are amazing, but if they don't, as usual, you know, because the brand is not very expensive, so we couldn't expect something like superior from the brand. But let's see. Okay, and one more thing which I really like about this brand is all the products literally they have like a, like, can you see they have like a range together. Like the packaging looks similar, they just create a similar vibes, and that is like really nice. And they also come with like completely sealed packaging for all their products. It's like completely sealed, so you know they are a new product and no one have used it before. So it's like amazing. And also they do have this, I saw this somewhere, also they do have this scratch and check official genuine product from Focallure, which is amazing because like I said, Focallure are cheap products, like I mean inexpensive products, but still there are like fake products in the market. So they do have this genuine check, just like this Swarovski crystal. They give you like a code and you can check online. So it's just like that, you can check whether this product is genuine or not. So, and make sure you buy it from the official store. Okay, so I'll just show you what I got. I'm just going all over the place. So this is the Focallure loose powder to set everything in place. So I'm not going to open up and show you the products which I'm going to use in that video So if there are like many products like lip products, I think I've got like 4 to 5 lipsticks, so I'm going to show you them. If I'm going to use it in that video, then I'm going to just keep opening the package. So this is the Ultra Glow Beam Highlighter. Wow, I love highlighters. So let's see how this works in that video. Then I have this eyeshadow. This is the Color Mix. Yeah, I think I've got one of this one. This is like a, I think in a pot, one color eyeshadow, and this one is single eyeshadow. So that's 2 eyeshadows. So I'll just show you this one because I don't think I'll be able to like use everything out of the Focallure products. Okay, the packaging is like really nice. Okay, come on, please. They really give like a fully secure packaging, and my eyeshadow is not even coming. Thankfully, they never. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, look here. It looks super classy. It just looks like an expensive product. Oh, I really like this packaging. Okay, this is called Star Genius, which is also like a sub-brand of Focallure. So basically, this is also from the Focallure brand. It is called Star Genius. Star Genius. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but I love it. Let's open it up. Oh my god! I completely forgot what I ordered, but look at this. Look at this. This is like a foiled eyeshadow with a mirror, like inbuilt mirror. And I literally don't think like they are more than a few ringgit. This is beautiful. This is literally beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this product. Like I've never opened like anything yet. This is the first product that I'm opening. And it is like so pretty. Oh my god. Let's see, because I think I've got like, yeah, 2. So this is in D02 and this is M05. Let's see this too. Okay, I think I've got like a basic like blending eyeshadow. So this is not this is not a shimmer or anything. This is just a basic blending brown, which I need for every eyeshadow. So let's try it later. Okay, so I'm impressed. Then for the face, we have the Focallure Flow with foundation, and definitely we're going to use it, so I'm not going to open it. We'll see it in that video. So by the way, I'm going to do that video next. So I'll be uploading after this video. So stay tuned for that. And if I've already do a video, I'll link everywhere. So make sure to check that out. So next is this one. Okay, this is a product which I've already used many times and I bought another one. This is the Focallure eyebrow gel. I've been loving this one. It's a really good it's a really good product. If you're looking for a gel brows, I love gel brows because they just make them put in one place throughout the day. So I love this product. I've already used it, so I know it's really good. Okay, next I have the mascara. So this is the Focallure Volume and Length Mascara. So obviously we're going to use it in that video. And what else do I have? Okay, this is the Focallure Concealer. The same thing. So like I said, I'm not going to open up anything because their packaging seems to be really nice. So I don't want to spoil that excitement of the first impression. So I'm going to keep it for that video. And next is Focallure Brow Powder. So obviously we need brow products since I've already used this. I mean, this is a new one, but I've already know about the formula of this product. I'm going to try this brow powder in that video. And next is this Lasting Soft Gel Pencil. I love gel pencils because they just glides on smoothly, and I'm waiting to try. Okay, and then This is the highlighter and bronzer duo. So maybe not the highlighter because I think I've got another highlighter. I think this is the highlight powder and the bronzer powder. I think so. Yeah. Yes. So I have to use it anyway. Okay, then what is this? This is the Focalier Glow Illuminator, which I've already used many times in my video. It's this liquid illuminator. I just love that. And yeah, we have a lipstick here. So I'll show you all the lipsticks. So this is called the Top Secret Lipsticks in Who's Next? Okay. This is the lipstick that I've already opened up, so you can see. Because I'm like too excited, I just want to open up a package. Then I thought of I'll do it on camera. Okay. Oh, the packaging is like really nice. I forgot. Like I literally forgot. This literally looks like this. You know this KKW lipsticks. Like they have this similar packaging, like frost packaging with this nude kind of like cover. Oh my god. I have no idea for this price. Are they giving packaging like this? Okay, let's just try this, watch it on. This is like I don't know how to explain this. Oh, it's so patchy. I don't know, but they're so patchy. Yeah. I'll just zoom into you guys. So this is the one. You can see, can you guys see like how patchy it is? Just don't glide on smoothly. They look really patchy. And okay, I do have a very mixed feeling on how they are going to perform. Not impressed. I was impressed with the packaging, but not the product. Okay, so this is the first lipstick. I got a few, but thank God I didn't got from the same kind of formula. This is a different one. This is called Stay Max. Stay Max matte lipsticks. Oh, it's red. Okay, it's also kind of a similar packaging, but these are like thicker and shorter, and these are like thinner and longer. So can you see? So, but the packaging is like beautiful. I just zoom in. Can you see how beautiful this is? Like super luxury. Like this just looks like a luxurious lipstick. But why the lipstick looks like that? Let's try this. I think this looks better. Okay, I think this looks better. So maybe we could try with this one. They look better. So this is the one, and you can see the consistency and everything of it. I think they look better compared to this one. Okay, and the next one from the same range as the red shade, but the color is what color is this? It's Madagascar. Oh, from the cover I think it's like a purple shade. I have no idea. Did I buy purple? I don't think so. Okay, no. It looks purple in the packaging. It was like, let's see. Okay, I kind of like the consistency or the formula, the way they swatch. They're not like really pigmented or something, but fair enough, I guess. I have no idea because I have to apply it on my lips to see the exact formula. This is how they look. Okay. So, but I think they kind of look patchy in the candy. I'll just let it dry for a while and see. No, but comparable to the thin one, which was more velvety, I think this is much more better. I think I'll just try it out and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so for the next product, it's still the same range of lipstick, but this is in the shade Sicily. Sicily. Okay, and this is like a nude shade, nude pink, but I think it's like too nude for me. But let's try. Okay, I would never wear this color in my life. This is the color. It's way too nude. I have no idea why it's looking pink in the camera, but it's way too nude. So I don't know. We'll test out the formula. Maybe I could maybe I could mix with the other shades with the reds or something and create like a nice shade. Who knows? But okay, once they are dry, I think pretty much everything is nice. I'll test it out in the Focaccia video and let you guys know. And next I've got this eye. This is the Intense eyeliner. So this is a liquid eyeliner which is perfect for, you know, why am I blabbering? Lining on top of your eyeshadows. Then, last but not the least, it's not the last, but I do have. This is a product which I was really excited when I see on their page. Okay, it's Body Glow from Focaccia, which is only for 30 ringgit, I guess. I think so. I don't remember the exact price, but this is in the shade 01 Sunlit. I bought the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, which is really expensive, like really expensive. If this works, I'm gonna save a lot of money. Lot of money needs a lot of money. So I'm really waiting to test this out because if this works, this is going to be my holy grail product, a body glow product. I hope, I pray this product works. Let's see. So then, when you're buying in Focaccia, or I have no idea because I bought like this much product, they do give some free gifts and they let you like choose which gifts you want. Like they give you a certain list of gifts and you can choose from that. So basically, I think when I buy like 3 or 4 eye products, I do get like a free gift section over there and I could like pick what gift I wanted. So in that terms, I kind of picked this face sponge, beauty sponge to do my makeup. So I'll be testing this out as well. I think I've got this for free, I think so. Brush for free. And then, yeah, surprisingly, they do give you foundation for free. This is the Star Genius Matte Full Coverage Foundation. And what I really like about it is, even though it's a sample packaging, but they come in like a tube, like a proper tube, a mini but proper tube, which like even many luxury brands give you samples of foundation in like the sachet, but they gives you in like a good packaging. I love it. I think Focaccia is winning with their packaging. From what I saw, like I think I only saw like 2-3 products, but they are really clean. So for the last product which I got for free is this Pink Flash lip gloss, and literally it is a free product and they give you like a full size free product, which is amazing. Like it's a full size product, it's not a sample, it's a full size. It's a good thing because I bought everything. I think the whole thing was around 100 ringgit, like it was 100. So I think for that, even getting like free gifts are amazing because even the Fenty Beauty Body Lava alone is more than 100 ringgit. So just imagine, that is a huge bargain if it works, like all the products will. So I'm just going to try it here. Okay, like it says it's a very simple lip gloss. Oh, they do have like nice shine to it. Oh, I kind of like this lip gloss. I'm always like not loving lip glosses, but I think this is nice. It just gives you nice sheen. I think they would be perfect for this like nice plumpy, pouty kind of a lips. Oh, I should try that. I'm really excited with that one. So I think that's it. Those are all my makeup products that I've got. And I'm really excited to do a full face of makeup using the Calier products, and also to do a eye look with this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette. So I'll be doing two separate videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys love this haul and love how it went. So please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video, which is on this full face of Calier makeup. And bye.